good afternoon. We're coming to you from Lakeland, Florida. We've been hearing great things about this place. If you look it up on Google reviews, everywhere it has awesome reviews. So we're excited to come and eat here. It's Lovebird's Almost Famous Chicken. It's here off of Florida Avenue, which is like State Road 37 here in Florida, in Lakeland. Let's go check it out. Let's go make some memories.
Special shout out to our channel members. Thank you so much for all your support. If you would like to become a channel member, hit that join button down below. There are some really fun benefits. Come have a look. Thanks for watching. Lovebird's Almost Famous Chicken has indoor and outdoor seating. They are like a dive without the dive, you know, like very laid back. They have a small selection of beer. This is the kind of place you go, get some good food, and just hang out for a little bit. There's music, but it's all very laid back, very chill. All of their chicken is brined for at least 24 hours and is always fresh, never frozen. They hand batter and bread it throughout the day in their house-made flour and spice blend. They use only the largest tenderloins and whole wings they can because that's what's worth cooking.
We ended up getting the goat, which is basically just their basic chicken sandwich. It has lettuce, tomato, onion, pickle, which we did on the side, and Duke's mayonnaise. They actually advertise that it's Duke's mayo, which if you haven't tried Duke's mayo, you're missing out. It's good stuff. And then we also ended up getting the dirty fries, which are the fries with the scallions, the bacon. They had like a ranch on it, and a cheese sauce, I think, too. And then we got that lemon blueberry like cobbler for dessert. Oh my god, that dessert, that's one of the best desserts I've ever had at a restaurant. I think it was delicious. Couldn't have been better. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button down below. It helps us out a lot. Leave us a comment down below if you ever tried this place. Would you like to see Lovebird if they ever expand, come to your area? I have a feeling this is going to be a place that if it keeps popping off the way it's popping right now, it's going to be more than one location for sure. So this place was great. The service was great. The food was excellent. We had to wait a little bit for our food, but it was definitely worth it. Alright guys, subscribe if you're not subscribed. We'll see you in the next video. Good eating, safe travels. We'll see you soon.